Today on Ridge Roamer, we're going to discuss stock versus aftermarket motorcycle seats to see if upgrading is right for you. The seat on a motorcycle is the largest of three connection points between you and your motorcycle, the hand grips and foot pegs being the other two. Most stock seats are very plain and inexpensive, with relatively thin, cheap foam and boring covers. Some premium motorcycle brands will step it up a bit with nicer stitching on their covers, leather instead of vinyl, or a grippier material, but often still lack in other areas like padding. However, any motorcycle can have an upgraded interface for your backside. The seat is one of the primary determining factors of how comfortable a motorcycle is and how long you can spend riding before you're forced to take a break. Of course, every butt is different and people have varying tolerances for butt discomfort, but there's a reason touring motorcycles have larger, more comfortable seats than motocross or sport bike seats. Short races versus long-haul riding require different solutions. So what if your motorcycle didn't come from the factory with a lazy boy, but you want to spend longer hours riding or be more comfortable for any amount of time you're on the road? Or what if you just want to add some extra style to your bike, continuing your customization to the seat itself? And what if you want to add extra features like heated seats for cold weather riding or a backrest for additional comfort? The good news is there's a multitude of aftermarket seats available that offer significantly higher quality than your motorcycle came with, offering tons of color options, material options, trim options, and extra features. Today I want to look at this new seat from Sargent that I just got for my Triumph Tiger 900. This is their World Sport Performance Plus seat. You can see as we set them side by side that this aftermarket seat looks nicer, has more padding, and has more durable materials than the stock seat. Sargent uses superior densities of foam in improved contours to offer the highest level of comfort possible, and a seat that has more surface area without becoming overly bulky or excessively taller. I selected a material that I prefer, a trim that complements the colors of my bike, which will not only make it more comfortable, but give it a more custom look, and gripper panels on the sides of the seat to give me more grip with my legs when I'm standing on the pegs while off-road. These materials look and work better, and they'll last longer than the stock seat. My bike came with heated seats, and this new Sargent seat not only comes with the heated seat element in it, but they installed the same connectors on their wiring, so it's an easy plug-and-play installation on my bike with no modifications necessary and still uses the factory controls. If your bike didn't come with factory heated seats, Sargent also offers a system where you can add a seat controller as well. Comparing seat pans, you can see the Sargent seat will fit perfectly, and it appears the connection of the seat surface material to the seat pan itself is more durable as well. And if you're curious about this detail, they went the extra mile and even integrated a flashlight holder with included light into the passenger seat pan for easy access. If you look on the Sargent website, you can see seat options available for your motorcycle, the different material options they offer, stitching options and welt color options. They also have backrest options, luggage rack options, and other accessories. They can set you up with seats that retain the factory seat height or offer a lower seat height. If they don't have a standard aftermarket solution that you like, talk to their custom seat services division and they can hook you up no matter what you ride or what you want your seat to be. Sargent seats are fully waterproof, so you don't need to worry about rain covers. They don't use gel inserts that hold heat way more and can harden over time. Instead, they use a patented memory foam over supercell atomic foam system. This memory foam layer perfectly conforms to your shape, eliminates hot spots, and has pressure relief channel down the center. The main foam is contoured better than typical stock seats, improving overall comfort. They're firm but not hard. Now that we've looked at these seats off the bike, let's see how they compare on the bike. Here's the stock seat on the bike. And here's the Sargent seat on the bike. Again, the upgrades to materials and trims give the bike a more custom, premium look immediately. It's noticeably more plush in the way it looks, and that also translates to the way it feels. The stock seat on this Triumph felt like about every other stock seat I've had on motorcycles, with the exception of dedicated touring bikes. Reasonably comfortable, but relatively flat, kind of thin in the padding department, not fully conforming to the natural shape of my butt, with a basic material feel. This new seat from Sargent fixes all of that. It's significantly more comfortable, it has more curve to it that fits me better, the padding is noticeably improved, and the outer material has a nicer feel to it. All of this will result in a more enjoyable time in the seat and the ability to ride longer distances before my aching butt forces me to stop. So no matter what you ride, know that you can easily upgrade your seat for looks, performance, comfort, or all of the above. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to put in a few hours of riding now. I hope you all have a great day and ride safe.